How to transfer photos between Samsung and PC. Start Sync Mobile Manager. Connect your Samsung phone to computer. Apps, contacts, messages, audios, videos, photos are supported to manage on Syncus. To export and import photos, tap Photos tab. Choose a photo album, then click on Export to transfer Samsung photo to computer. You can change the saving path via Browse button. Then export the selected photo. Go to Add photo to import a photo album. If you need to export some photos from a photo album, then open this photo album. Choose Photos, then click on Export. Click on Import to get pictures from computer. Choose Pictures from computer and import. Remove some photos if you don't want them. Click on Delete button. Other handy tools are available. More tips, please visit www.syncus.com. Thanks for watching. Please follow us to get more mobile tips.